Hey guys, here's a video on how to lay out a hole pattern accurately using running measurements. When I first learned fab, my friend Russ taught me this. You know, I need a 350 plus 7, and I need that all the way down. So instead of, you know, laying out 350 and then going 7 inches and then keep doing that, just hook your tape, use your calculator, you know, do 3.5 plus 7, you get 10.5, plus 7, you get 17.5. Keep hitting the equal sign now that you got your 7 in there, and run down till you get to the end. And that will keep you from being, you know, a 1/4 inch off, 1/2 inch off, a mile off by the end of the tube or whatever you're laying out.